Hi there, students. Gonzo. I think particularly Gonzo Journalism. Let's see, when a journalist writes a report, normally it's supposed to be very objective, not giving personal opinions, just giving the facts and letting the reader make up their mind. Well, Gonzo journalism is the exact opposite of this. This is journalistic work that is very subjective. Yeah, it's not impartial. It's not detached. Very often, Gonzo journalism is where the journalist is writing the article as a person who is taking part in what is happening. Okay, so Gonzo journalism. It's very subjective. It can be very over the top. I think also it can be intended to shock, and it's exciting to read rather than being informal, impartial, and giving information. So, Gonzo journalism. It's journalism which is very exaggerated, which is very subjective, which is perhaps even fictionalized. So the story is, and the writer's feelings at the time of the events are the most important thing. Yeah, it's journalism, or writing a journalistic article from one very specific point of view. So I don't know, for example, if you were if the Prime Minister were writing about politics, maybe that would be a Gonzo style. Or I'm imagining the war in the Ukraine. Maybe journalistic reports written by a soldier, a Russian soldier on the front line, or written by a Ukrainian soldier on the front line. This would be. It wouldn't be objective. It would be very subjective about how this person feels and about the things that they see. And that's the idea of Gonzo journalism. You can then take this word Gonzo further and give it a meaning of something that's bizarre, extreme, unconventional. So a piece of Gonzo artwork, I think much modern art is fairly Gonzo. It's fairly bizarre. Or a Gonzo style of skiing, yeah, extremely strange. And then you can then also use it to mean crazy, excited, unrestrained. So he went absolutely gonzo when he met his favorite star. Okay, so somebody who just goes absolutely crazy. They go over the top. They become very exaggerated. So a rumor could be gonzo. It's very exaggerated. It goes too far. It goes over the top. Or somebody could, the fans went gonzo. Yeah, they became wildly enthusiastic. Yeah, the kids went gonzo over the songs. And then somebody who's just crazy, yeah, a wacky person, yeah. There's some gonzo at the door who wants to talk to you, yeah, because he says he's going to make you the president. Yeah, so mad, crazy. Okay, so Gonzo journalism. Yeah, first person account, something that's highly subjective, something that exaggerates a lot. It's in very large contrast to traditional, impartial, detached journalism. Okay, so now we need to go to the next one, to origin. The origin is first used in connection with Hunter S. Thompson in the 1970s, by a magazine editor, Billy Cardoso, and Gonzo, pure Gonzo journalism, craziness. But Gonzo, it's got this idea of giving a story, but as a participant, not as a detached objective person. It's a first person narrative. So I hope that's helped. Let's see. And then the origin. Well, the origin comes from this. There are various suggestions that it might come from gonzo in Italian, meaning adult, or ganso, a goose, an idiot in Spanish. But they could also there are various different ideas. Anyway, enough. Gonzo. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gonzo.